Hello everyone. In this video, I'll be going over what the calendar section on Compass does and how you can use it to your advantage. To navigate to this, you just click on calendar, and this displays a curated list of collections that are about to come out. The list is curated by a member of the Compass team, so you know that these are reputable collections. So it will display the collection's name, the network that it is on, its release date, the price, and the amount of tokens in the collection. It'll also give you a brief description of the collection and also give you relevant links such as website, Discord, Twitter, Instagram, stuff like that. And if you click past, you'll be able to see the collections that have already released that were on this list. So this is useful because if you do not have the time to be doing the research to find these new upcoming hype collections, you can just go to this upcoming list and Compass will basically do the due diligence for you, or at least give you very easy ability to do due diligence. So if you see a collection such as Skyverse that you're interested in, you can just click to their website and go check them out a bit more. So that's what the calendar section on Compass does and how you can use it to your advantage. Hope you enjoyed.